Guys, I have bad news. My favorite Gigabyte Radeon R7 242GB DDR3 graphics card fan suddenly died. You have seen this card on my channel for quite a long time. I have been using it for 5 years. It never gave up on me when I overclocked the out of it. It's time to replace the fan. I searched on many listing sites in Bangladesh but unable to find one at this moment. Then I thought, why not use a CPU fan on GPU? Many of you have faced or might face this problem in the future, so why not share my experience with you? You can buy this kind of Intel CPU fan for around 150 taka, equivalent to $2 from any computer store near you. But I am going to use this CPU fan which I had lying around for some time. It may look old, but it's definitely going to get the job done. First, make sure the fan you want to use sits properly on the fan space. Most of these CPU fans have legs like this, which helps it to hold to the heatsink, but I don't need them here. I must cut them to properly set in its place. It's better to cut them outside as it's going to leave this kind of black dust. See you in a moment. You can use super glue if you want, but I'm going to use zip tie to hold the fan, so I can replace it when I find a compatible fan. After zip tying it together, I must check if the fan can run properly or not, and it's good to go. Next, it's time to connect the corresponding wires to the fan. First, cut the wire from your old GPU fan. Make sure the cable length is perfect. If it's not, you may have to patch additional wires together. I'm going to keep the CPU fan pin if I decide to use it in the future with any kind of CPU. I have patched the wire like this. To know more, you can follow this diagram. The download link of this diagram is given in the description below. It's time to test whether it's working or not. Wow, it's working perfectly without any issue. Even the GPU fan speed controls are flawless. All that is left to do is to take off the Gigabyte sticker and install it over this fan. If you ask me, it's not looking that bad. See you in the next one.